Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp dumplings at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, a pack of round dumpling wrappers, and some basic seasonings like soy sauce and sesame oil. Make sure your shrimp are peeled, deveined, and minced very finely for the best texture. This initial prep is crucial for a delicious outcome. Now, let's create that amazing filling. In a bowl, combine your finely minced shrimp with 1 tablespoon of fresh, finely chopped ginger and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Next, add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a small pinch of white pepper for flavor. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This acts as a binder, ensuring your filling stays together beautifully. With your filling ready, it's time to wrap. Take a single dumpling wrapper and place about 1 teaspoon of the shrimp mixture right in the center. Dip your finger in a small bowl of water and lightly moisten the entire edge of the wrapper. This creates a sticky seal. Now, fold the wrapper in half over the filling and begin creating small, even pleats along the curved edge, pressing firmly to seal. Your beautifully wrapped dumplings are now ready to cook. You have a couple of options. For steaming, arrange them in a steamer basket and cook for 6 to 8 minutes until the shrimp turns pink and the wrappers are translucent. Alternatively, for a crispy bottom, pan-fry them in a lightly oiled non-stick pan until golden, then add about 1/4 cup of water, cover, and steam until cooked through. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade shrimp dumplings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.